Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, this question is a little bit more practical.
Okay, go ahead.
So we know that at this day and age, how important it is to do Kiruv and to invest our money into Kiruv. But would it be okay if we, let's say, take out some money from other mitzvot in order to invest the money to Kiruv? For example, instead of like buying a very fancy Mezuzah or something like that, we just buy a kosher one, and the remaining money we invest it into Kiruv instead, or the like.
Mm-hmm.
Would it be a good thing to do?
I think so. Yeah. So all Mezuzah, they up to certain level. So after that, it's like they're not such a big difference. I mean, I'm just using your example. So after some like if it's kosher person, so he can go get a little better, a little this, a little that, but the price is going to change because he spent much more time on these crowns or all these things, but it's not such a big difference. If you buy cheap, it's of course. In not such religious stores, just so you know, they sell also mezuzah. They sell paper blessing. Just so you know, they tell you, right? So you want for like I don't know how much mezuzah costs. We haven't bought one mezuzah for some time, like maybe $45, $50, regular mezuzah, right? Or you want free printout, right? Whatever you want. So many people take free. And when we like some I haven't done for a long time, but sometimes like in the past I would put mezuzah for people who would ask, right? And I would sometimes replace the old one, and there is a paper blessing in there, in the old one. So people were cheap. They did not. I mean, cheap. They did not understand the concept that they have to buy the actual scroll. Box is good, but scroll is more important. Okay.
So what about the tefillin?
Tefillin again. Tefillin also there is a standard like good price level. Let's say Sephardic difference, Ashkenazic difference. Let's say $1,000, like 1,200. That's it. So if you go like up to, is it difference? Okay, maybe I don't know. Maybe it is difference, but I don't know. For me, like everything have. When I personally know there's so many people in need, and now I'm going to spend all of this time money on my tefillin when I could have helped other people. So I don't feel good, you know. And that's why as I said, I don't go to these events. First of all, I don't have time. But even if I would have time, let's say they did in sometimes when I don't have classes. So but they would throw out the food, I would not go. You understand? Because again, I know so many people in need. This lady, as I said, she has only one dress. I could understand why she's asking me, can you wash on Yom Tov? I said, no. Can you wash on Chol Hamoed? I said, no. Like, why are you asking? Like, I told you no. But she said, what can I do? Right? I have only one dress. That's it.